Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Banya.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Walnut Groves of Mexico, where today we finally have a versus you guys have been asking for. Now, we had a versus top speed of the 2020 Ducati Streetfighter versus the S1000R. We wanted to do an S1000R versus Aprilia, and we sold it before we could. So, but the versus you guys have been looking for is this one. This is going to be a top speed versus the 2020 Ducati Streetfighter V4S versus the 2019 Tuono Factory V4. And so we're going to do three just like last time. I think the speeds might be a little bit different. We're going to do, first race will be 30 to 100. Second race will be 50 to 120, and then the last race will be 50 to top speed. So we're going to do three versus race. I predict you'll take the first two. I predict I'll take the final top speed only because if all else fails, I've got a higher top speed than you, so of course I'll win.
How is that any fair then?
Maybe you win 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Take it. So let's get out on the farm roads, and we're going to start with the first one right here because we've got a nice little stretch of road. So let's get into 30 miles an hour up to 100. So this is going to be 30 to 100 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Surprised.
I just wanted to wheelie.
I did really. Well, we got another room, so let's do this again. Let's try it again. So you're in second?
Yep. Let's maybe go out of the dirt.
All right. So let's do the same one. Let's see if we can get the same result. So 30 miles an hour, second gear. On 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's just with that one, 30 to 100, it's just who gets the jump, right?
Yeah.
Because
it's sat nicer now.
Because you took the jump, kind of 3 you win, I win, right? And we basically just stayed the same distance up to 100. So
how about one more time?
All right, let's see if we got room right here.
Oh hell yeah, we got.
All right, so we got room. So we're gonna hit 30.
All right. I'm getting into it, babe.
Wait, where are you going?
I don't know, 30.
All right, ready? Wait, where are you going? You're cheating.
Come on.
All right, one last one right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean it's just pretty much a dead heat. It's just a dead heat, so. All right, so let's go.
And I do have the wheelie control up, so, you know.
Yeah, I turned mine up to 3, so. All right, so let's take this bend right here, and let's do our third gear, 50 miles an hour up to 120. On 3, 1, 2, 3. That was much interesting. Is that a cop up there?
Cops in Mexico?
I know. Look at all these bicyclists in the middle of nowhere. All the farm workers.
I mean, we are in Mexico.
All right, so.
Do you want to do that one again?
Let's do that one again. Third gear. And 50, so let's get up a teeny bit.
Let's get out of the dirt.
Yep.
My lane is dirt, okay.
Yep. All right, so 45 up to 50. All right, ready? On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Where were you? Did you fall asleep?
I was there. Man, it's just a flip of a coin almost. It's really, whew. right behind you, and I really don't. I creep up a teeny bit, but not much. I mean, that thing pulls tremendously, so.
That is pretty impressive. I thought the second one you would take.
All right. So here we are, and I think we got to get to a little better because this road's got a couple humps on it.
You don't want to.
All right, guys. So here we are on our final run. We're going to do a second gear, 40 mile an hour to top speed on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I demand a rematch. I grabbed the gear way too early. I got excited.
Ah.
Rematch.
Turn around for a rematch?
I'll be down for a rematch.
All right, let's get turned around up here, and let's do one more 50 top speed. Woo. All right, so somebody demanded a rematch from 40 miles an hour in second?
Yep.
Is that what you would like?
Yep.
All right, 40 at second, so we're right about there. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Holy mama.
Woo! All right, that was a little better. I'll take that.
I can barely hold on. Woo, baby.
Woo!
So,
That was better.
that was
I'll
better?
take it.
All right, all right.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
I heard you pop off the rev limiter going from 3rd to 4th, I think.
Yeah, I was like a split
then
second.
I was just coming up to you
And
when I heard the pop, 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 but I was already reeling you in.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Good little 8.
So, I mean, that thing obviously is like just as or. Here, let's stop right up here on the right. Woo.
Woo.
Actually,
Little
let's
Sunday
turn right here and then turn around and give you guys a farewell. Oh. Oh boy. So I honestly a little bit, not necessarily unexpected. I honestly thought you would take me on most of the up to. But realistically, like I said, it was who got the jump.
Yeah.
And
Who screwed up less?
I think I would get you like over 100. I would gain up on you. Over 100, I just started gaining up on you. So, but I think up to 100. I mean, it was like that first run that we did, second run that we did, and that top speed. I mean, I definitely have done top speed, but and I don't even know.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay.
It was
with it.
windy today.
Yeah, it's windy.
It was windy
We should
today.
do this in like better conditions one day, like a
Warmer.
rematch.
All right, let's find an airstrip. Anybody own an airstrip? Let us know because we're bringing all the bike, bring the whole collection out and just do verses all day.
Yeah, let's do the MTO3 versus the R3.
Oh, that would be a good one. And then maybe the HP2 Sport versus the V2. The V2 would take it, but twins versus twins, but who knows? But, well, thank you guys for visiting Mexico, where they place English and Mexican signs, or Spanish signs, so it's, you know, I don't know. All right, well, anyways, before I get roasted too bad, thanks for sticking around, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the Streetfighter V4S, the Tuono. So for the OG people that stick around, where are we heading to this weekend?
Oh, yeah, Wagner's favorite track. I'm so excited.
Heading down to Chuckwalla with 2 Ducatis and 1 Aprilia, actually, and a BMW. We're delivering the R9T Racer. And I don't know, something about some new Aprilias coming that I might be buying.
Again? But this is staying.
Oh, she loves this bike.
I
So.
love it.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for sticking around. We're going to head home. Unfortunately, our mountain ride didn't really, it's raining over in the mountains. So we decided to do some pulls for you guys instead. So we're going to head home.
Mexico.
In Mexico. So we got a 13-hour drive home. And we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.